Now I'm going to transfer it to another serving tray. That's the roast turkey ready. Hi everybody, welcome back to My Family Taxi, and I'm going to show you a very special recipe today. Turkey is very popular in Ireland, especially during Christmas time, and we always end up eating in a restaurant or in a friend's house. So I decided to do it in my house. So we got a big turkey here today, which is about 5 kilos, and I'm going to make it at home in an Indian style. Now I'm going to show you the ingredients to make this marination. I have the 5 kilo turkey here. It looks huge, isn't it? Now I'm going to show you the rest of the ingredients. I have chili powder here, and I have some salt beside it, and I have pepper, some turmeric, some ground coriander, and some cinnamon stick, anise seed, and some cloves, and some ginger garlic paste here, and I have some olive oil, and I have some lime. I have 2.5 lime. Because it's a huge turkey, I'm going to use 2.5 lime. I have 1 egg here. Just the egg gives a beautiful crispy layer, so I've just taken 1 medium-sized egg, and I have some bay leaves here, and that's it. Now I'm going to get ready with the marination. First I'm going to add in the chili powder. As I said, it's a huge turkey, so I have a cup of chili powder there, and that's a coriander, ground coriander. Next comes the pepper and the turmeric. Comes the salt, and then I'm going to add in the ginger garlic paste. I'm just going to add in the whole spices, the cinnamon stick, star anise, cardamom, and the cloves. I'm just going to give it a good mix here. Now I'm going to add in the olive oil. Just be generous because it's a huge turkey. Now I'm going to add in the lime. Now I'm going to add in the bay leaves. I'm just going to whack them. I'm going to crack in the egg. Now the marination mixture is ready. And now I'm going to make good few slits on the turkey, so the spices, I can rub the spices all over, so it will be an even texture and the beautiful flavor can get in all over the turkey. And I'm going to show you how exactly it's done. Now I've made a good few slits, as you can see. Oh my god, it's so heavy. It's a huge turkey, isn't it? Now my turkey is ready and my spice mixture is ready as well. Now I'm just going to get a good dollop of it. I'm just going to rub it on the turkey, just especially inside the slits. Make sure you rub it all over. rubbed all the spices all over the turkey. Made sure no space left anywhere to get the even texture and the flavor all over the turkey. And then I'm going to wrap it with the tin foil and I'm going to leave it in the fridge for about 12 hours and I'm going to cook it in the oven tomorrow. Now I'm going to leave the marinated turkey in the fridge for about 12 hours as I said, and then we're going to cook it tomorrow. See you tomorrow. It's been 12 hours in the fridge now. I'm just going to open it and see. I'm sure it's well marinated. Look at this. Now I'm going to put it in the oven. It's going to take about 2.5 to 3 hours, and between I'm going to check it if it needs a little bit of oil or anything on the top. But it's going to take at least 2.5 to 3 hours to cook. I have preheated the oven. It's about 8 minutes now. I'm going to leave it until 10 minutes and then I'm going to put the turkey in the oven. I'm going to let it cook. Now the oven is preheated for about 10 minutes. I'm just going to put the turkey in the oven. And we'll see in an hour and a half to see how we get on. It's been 1.5 hours. It's well cooked on the front. So we just turned it, so make sure it's well cooked on all sides. Normally in the oven they don't turn it around, but we like to turn it so you can get a crispy layer and evenly cooked all over. I'm just going to put it back in for another 30-45 minutes. Our roast turkey is nearly done. I'm just going to get ready for the veggies. I have some broccoli, some onions and peppers and carrots here. And I'm just going to put some chili flakes in it, just to add a bit of spice. Just a little bit of chili flakes. And I'm going to add some salt as well. And I'm just going to stir fry it. I have the hot pan here. I'm just going to pour in some olive oil. And once the oil is hot, I'm just going to throw in all the veg. And I'm going to put some salt. Now I'm done with the veg. I'm just going to turn off the stove. I'm just going to put it in place. Now the roast turkey is ready. I'm just going to get it out. Look at that. Wow. Now I'm going to transfer it to another serving tray. That's the roast turkey ready. Now the roast turkey is ready to be served. It looks so good and I don't know how it's going to taste. We're going to taste it and tell you.
Ready for some veg. Yay, that looks so nice.
Now the boys are going to tell me how it tastes.
Oh, that is actually so good. I don't even need to put my thumbs up because the fork's there. Yeah.
Hope you enjoyed this video. If you like our channel, please subscribe to My Family Taxi for more episodes. Bye.
Yummy in my tummy.